my lips actually looks really good. I started using that Popo ointment. And you guys, it's way better than the lip balm that I have been using. So, I like that. It doesn't look like I have a blush on. I look really pale lately. Yeah. You look good too. You do. I'm wearing my coat and then that green top that we got from Ang Paradise. No, green? Did I say green top? Brown top. That, right there. May nasikaso lang si Dan sandali. Maglalagay lang ako ng lipstick. Gagamitan ko again yung ColourPop Lipsticks in the shade Kami. Did I bring a freaking mirror? Sobrang gusto ko tong lipstick na to, you guys. Got my hash brown. Ooh, see, it says chicken nuggets. I wanted chicken nuggets, but they don't have it yet. Because they're serving breakfast. Yum. Tagal ni Dan na. Maubos na yung data ng ano ko. Phone ko. Kaka-Snapchat. Kakaloka. Kala ko, meron na siyang kukunin. Parang nag-meeting na ata. Yeah, hindi ko alam kung anong oras yung libing. 10:30, anong oras na ba ngayon? It is 9:42. Nag-Snapchat ako kanina. Sobrang salamat you guys sa mga good feedbacks doon sa previous video ko. Yung story time namin. So, sobrang salamat. I like that you guys like the video. Meron isang nag-comment na sabi, so, parang ikaw pala ng ligaw. Sabi ko, did you watch the video? Did you watch it? No, hindi ako naligaw. Nakakaloka yung ako yung mangligaw. And also, maraming nagtanong, kailan nga ba naging official? Naging official siya nung nasa Thailand kami. Pasensya ako, hindi siya clear masyado sa story. Pero parang akala ko kasi magigets na. Kasi diba dinala ko siya sa Philippines and pinakilala ko siya sa parents ko. So parang meaning, official na kami. Kasi hindi ko naman siya ipapakilala sa pamilya ko kung walay lang, diba? Tanungin natin si Dan kung anong say niya. Kasi wala talagang exact date kung kailan eh. Basta we just felt it. Wala kasing ligaw-ligaw talaga. Na-mention ko na to sa previous Q&A video ko nung nasa Manila ako. Doon ako nag-Q&A. Wala talaga kasing ligaw-ligaw. Parang, basta hindi ko alam. May pa-explain natin sa kanya mamaya. Nandito na siya. Perfect. How was it?
Oh, good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh,
that
good.
took longer than expected.
Oh, I did check it all out. Yeah.
Okay. All good?
Yeah, all good.
I was vlogging. Ooh, hello, babe.
Yeah.
You look so good.
Like a movie star.
Like a movie star. Dang. I was reading the comments of the video. Some of them are still confused. Like, when did you guys become official? When? I don't know.
Last
either.
week.
There's really like no specific day. It's in Thailand though, for sure, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Train is coming. Ooh. There, can you see that? That's the train.
Yeah.
It's a slow train as well. Is it a big one, babe?
We'll see. I think it will be.
Go, train! That was a long train. Done. Hello. Punta kami ng Kmart. We will get a mouse. So we will get that. Just that. We still haven't figured out what we're gonna do for dinner.
What do you feel like?
I don't know.
I'm not even hungry, but to be honest with you.
I'm not hungry either. We ate at the pub today for lunch. It was a late lunch as well, and
Yeah.
it was good.
That's the big
We're
one.
here. Look at that. They have some jewelries outside there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, jewelry factory.
Go look at those.
Outside Kmart. Nah, maybe later. We found it. What? We were here the last time and you said they don't have this one here. We've been looking for this one for I don't know how long, but yeah, just the bamboo steamers. We steamed our pork buns last night using microwave and it didn't really turn out good. So, bad timing. Anyway, we gotta buy pork buns now. You guys, 25 cents. What the heck? iPhone 6 Plus. 25 cents. There's more. 25 cents. iPhone 6 Plus. I have iPhone 6. Shoot. That would be really cool. Really comfy as well. Are you sure? It kind of goes with your... Oh yeah, it actually kind of goes with your theme, red and gray.
Do you reckon it's too square though?
What do you mean too square?
You know, we sit on it. Do you reckon it's too square?
Round. This is round. What the heck is square?
Round.
Do you want me to try and sit on it?
Go for it.
Yeah.
No, our pillow is better actually.
Okay.
There's a burger. This burger is so cute. Look at. This is so soft. This is the toy I wanted when I was a kid. I never had it. And I never will. We're getting this for his daughter's friend. Malapit na kasi yung birthday. Nung bata ako, gusto ko ng ganito eh. Wala kaming ganito kasi we're poor. Look at this. It's so cute. This is the cutest thing ever. I want to have this, but no. We're giving this to the kid. Hi guys! I will be making him wraps kasi wala kaming dinner today, diba? And ako magpapansit canton lang ako. So I'm gonna make him his wraps. Ito yung lagi kong ginagawa sa kanya for his lunch. Siguro mga 2 weeks na kasi gustong-gusto niya to. So use the whole grain wrap. Yan. And then ito siya. Lalagyan ko siya ng mustard. And then mayo. Wait, let me show you. Konting mustard lang ilalagay ko. So, nilagyan ko na siya ng mustard as in sobrang konti lang. Isang line lang na ganun. Tapos mayo. Tapos ilalagay ko yung egg. Yung egg kasi actually ready na to. So, naning ginagawa ko sa mainit na egg. Sobrang init na egg. Nilalagyan ko siya ng malamig na tubig. Para hindi siya ganun kahirap So, nilagay ko na yung egg. Slice ko siya into wedges. Tapos, nilagyan ko din siya ng cucumber. Tapos, avocado. Parang half ng avocado. Ganon. And then, last step is lalagyan ko siya ng spinach. Tapos, i-wrap ko na siya. Tapos, after ko siyang i-wrap nito, i-wrap ko siya sa parang cling wrap para hindi siya mahirap kainin. I'll show you guys later. But, yeah, I'm just gonna add the spinach. So, ganito na yung itsura niya. Parang hindi ko siya nirarap all the way dito. Parang dito lang meron para madali siya kainin. You know what I mean? So, parang open siya dito. Okay. It's ready, babe.
Feel me eat it. Thanks, babe.
Yum.
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 You love that?
I love it. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
You're the best.
Ooh, hello.
You wrapped it as well?
I did. It's gonna be easier for you to eat it if I wrap it like that, right?
Right.
Here's my dinner, pancit canton, and then lemonade 0. Yum. Kain! Good morning, guys! I'm having my coffee this time. Meron na akong Skyflakes Condensada. Nabili namin siya sa Manila Trading. And I'm watching Trisha's video. Yung vlog natin, Ray niya yung Cinnabon Delights. My gosh! Wala kaming Taco Bell dito. And I think I haven't really tried Taco Bell. Nung nasa US ako kasi hindi siya ganun kasikat sa state na pinuntahan ko. So yeah, hindi ko na-try yung Taco Bell. Pero okay lang yan. I'm gonna have my breakfast. Kain tayo! Not responding! Ish! Malapit na ako matapos. Nag-a-add na lang ako ng music ko. Bakit ganyan? Nakakainis! By the way, yung nagsasalita is si Trisha Paytas. Kasi nung nag-stop responding siya, nanood ako ng vlog. So yun, pero nakakainis. This video needs to be up today. So, nakakainis lang. Kailangan ko tapusin to kasi pagkatapos nito, isi-save ko siya and saving will take, I don't know how long, pero it takes so long. Oh well. Hintayin ko lang yan. Kasi ayoko namang mawala lahat ng ginawa ko. Gagawin ko lang yung laundry while not responding pa rin yung video ko. Nakakainis. You guys! Look at this. I have in here 3 boxes. Sobrang lalaki. Tapos I have this. This is, I'm sure, from gearbest.com. And it's my lighting. Oh my gosh! Naka-receive kasi ako ng text sa DHL. Yung schedule is on Friday pa. And then I got it today. Today is Tuesday. Anyway, hinihintay ko na maluto yung rice ko. Nakakainis. nakalimutan kong lutuin siya before ako naligo. So, sobrang hapon na. Wala pa akong lunch. As in, parang 4 na ata ngayon. Na-busy ako kanina. Sobrang busy ko kanina. In-edit ko yung video ko, diba? And then, sobrang tagal ko natapos i-edit yun yung Q&A ko. Tapos may story time. Yung ulam ko today is the century tuna. Iinitan ko lang siya. Hindi ko alam kung kailan pa maluluto yung aking rice. Gutom na ako. Finally! Kain tayo, guys. Rice. Lotong rice. Yum! And then, century tuna. Minicrowave ko siya kaya mayroong ganon. But yeah, kain tayo. Gutom na ako. Dami boxes. Mga lighting equipment. So, 1, 2, 3. So, itong dalawa magka-size. Freaking excited. This is, by the way, from gearbest.com. Sobrang bilis ng shipping nila. DHL yung ginamit nila. Oh my gosh! Oh yeah, ito yun. Parang siyang, basta ipapakita ko sa inyo. Oh my gosh! Ah! Ha! So, maglalagay ka ng 4 na bulb right there. Oh my gosh, you guys ha. This feels really legit. Sobrang bigat nito. So, parang, totoo talaga to. Char, totoo talaga to. I'm pretty sure this one is the same as that one kasi I ordered 2 of those. And then, we have this bad boy right here. Oh my gosh, ano to? Professional monopod. Yes, ito nga yun. So, meron pa siyang, kasamang, ba tawag dito? Lalagyan ng monopod, ganun. So, this is what the professional monopod looks like. Oh! This looks really freaking legit, you guys. Oh my gosh, sobrang bigat niya din. Dito na si Dan. So, ganito lang siya. Monopod siya. Kakatayo siya ng kanya, ganun. Tapos ito, ang bigat Ano ba to? I'm pretty sure ito yung parang lighting na kinoconnect mo talaga sa camera. Okay. So, nandito yung parang background ko. I got this. Parang siyang tela na pang background. Ganun. And then, ito. Yung ganito. So, ilalagay mo siya sa ibabaw ng camera mo. Bongga! You guys, this one is really cool. So, ma-open mo siyang ganyan. Ganun. Ganun. So, this itself, pwedeng-pwede na siyang maging lighting ng camera mo. Bonggang-bongga na to, you guys. I mean, I don't really know yet kung ano talaga magiging itsura niya, pero I think this one itself will do. Hindi siya nag-hello, so siguro may kausap sa phone, so ayoko munang sumigaw. Hi, babe!
You got the new lighting?
Yeah!
How is it?
I haven't really tried it. I just unboxed it.
Give it a kiss.
How was your day? I will need your help on this, but not yet.
Sorry, babe?
I will need your help on this.
Yeah.
You guys, so sinet up ko yung lighting ko, and ito na yung lighting na nakikita nyo ngayon. It's not the perfect lighting yet. I'm still trying to figure out how to do this, but I need to close the vlog kasi I've been testing, I've been using my camera, and mamamatay na siya. So, yeah, before siya mamatay, I just want to say good night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, yung mapapakita ko na sa inyo yung not really, I'm not sure. Pero tomorrow, I'm gonna use the new setup. New setup. And yeah, because I will film a haul tomorrow. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye.